Hello everyone, and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And as you can see right behind me is a village, and that's what we're going to be talking about on how to find villages in Minecraft. I've been running around for so long just to find a village. I've been flying around for so long, I don't even know how long it's been. If I look at my time, okay, I've been flying around for 30 minutes now in order to just find a village. That's the villager. Anyways. So in order to find villages, you'll have to, every biome has a specified village. Like, right, this is an acacia village. This is the acacia biome right here. And everything these villagers will make is regarding acacia. Or, I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Anyways, so as you can see, I have found a village, and the village is quite big. Honestly, it is quite big. And look, there's the village golem. The protector and the savior. Anyways, so finding villages in Minecraft is quite tough, and you basically have to run around a lot. But the best part is you can get these stuff, emeralds. I'm just gonna steal a bit of emeralds from them. And if you're lucky enough, then you can find a blacksmith in the village. What you can find from the blacksmith is diamonds. So yeah, run around, search for those villages, my guys. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Drop a like, hit that subscribe, and hit that notification bell, because yeah, it helps out a lot. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.